Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Quokkaswap token. Ticker symbol is QUOK. Now this token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now. We're going to go over the information on the Quokkaswap token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Quokkaswap token. Decentralization exchange tokenomics. So, what is Quokkaswap? It is a decentralized exchange, a DEX, that is a completely new platform for trading crypto assets. Within the framework of this new platform, all transactions are carried out using smart contracts and not in a centralized trading system. The Quokkaswap DEX differs from centralized exchanges in the way that no user funds are stored on the platform, and the exchange does not control transactions. The principle is based on the fact that all assets are transferred directly from the user's wallet connected to the platform. In addition, the platform excludes the procedure for user verification. Speaking of Quokkaswap, it is worth noting that this is an exchange with a completely new approach to modeling and implementation. The platform has its own exchange model, and the improved tokenomics of the decentralized exchange solves many problems and uses an exchange protocol based on the concepts of game theory. With Quokkaswap, we are paving the way for BEP20. It is a token on the Binance Smart Chain created on top of the Binance blockchain, which is used for instant transactions. So most DEXs typically use automated market makers. These are protocols that provide liquidity to all assets in the market. Unlike traditional exchanges, assets are traded automatically according to preset mathematical formulas. The emergence of decentralized exchanges is due to the shortcomings of centralized ones, like hacks, problems with the law, fraudulent actions, and the organizers of trading. When analyzing the market, we found that in the recent years, many people prefer decentralized platforms. So they had, starting with BitShares DEX launched in 2014. So they go over kind of the history of decentralized exchanges. So it says, this story does not end here. In 2022 marks the launch of Quokkaswap. It's a fundamental new solution for decentralized exchanges. The project creates an over-the-counter market for decentralized crypto exchanges. So the problems with some DEXs, they have low liquidity. Some of them are actually quite centralized, even though they claim to be decentralized. So in the case of Quokkaswap, a large volume trading on the market makes sense. First of all, this is due to high liquidity on the platform. High liquidity makes trading much faster and safer because you are buying and selling at predictable prices. By creating the first decentralized exchange for BEP20 tokens, we get the first closed ecosystem exchange with BEP20. Now, the solution. The centralized order book model, CLOB. CLOB is one of the key methods that is used in coordination of the market. With this model, liquidity providers and traders easily find each other and know which orders are pending. The operating principle of the method is based on the following principle. Market makers send an order on the exchange to conduct an asset transaction. At the same time, basic information about the price, the number of assets, and the direction of the order buy or sell must be provided. Then the exchange starts collecting all orders on the database. The platform then publishes the order book to all its users. In order to complete this transaction, the other party must give an agreement to conduct the transaction, accepting the price and the amount of assets available on this order book. It's very similar to I believe Sunday Swap uses that. It's similar. It's account-based versus the BEP20 model. You can read more about this on Quokkaswap's white paper. You can find it at Quokkaswap.com. They have a full info section about Quokkaswap's decentralized order book model and their problems and solutions with that. So their solutions are basically multiple matchmakers, contention around the best price, the choice of batch sizes. So they solve both of those problems. And then they have the interface provider, the matchmakers, modularity via independent operators, short time frames for asset transfers, platform security, and execution of large orders. So these are a lot of their solutions here. They have the front-end interface, market monitoring, market orders, market maker exchange. And yeah, it's reliable, it's anonymous, it's universal, no KYC required, no risk of third-party interventions. So let's get to this token here. So this is the token that's live for pre-sale right now. So there's a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on the Quokkaswap token. Ticker symbol is QUOK. It's a BEP20 token. Now, how it's split up, it's split between public sale, development, liquidity, staking, rewards, partners and advisors, developers, and marketing. So you will be able to stake this token in the future. Now, on their webpage, you can find the full white paper. You can launch their app, their Quokkaswap app. You can log in or sign up in the top right-hand corner of their webpage. And then underneath that, they show that their pre-sale, it looks like it is 75.5% done, it says. And it shows how much USDT you need to exchange for how much Quokka tokens. It shows the price on that. They've sold a lot of tokens so far. How much? They've almost raised $1 million here. So they're looking to raise $1.2 million. And so far they've raised $905,000, basically USDT. So they will be listed, it says here, on PancakeSwap, Binance, KuCoin, and Bybit in the future. But right now, they're just finishing up this pre-sale. So head over to their webpage, and you'll be able to get involved in this pre-sale if you like. But check out all the information first. Do your own research. Looks like their team faces, names, and job titles. They're doxed on their page. They have a Telegram, a Twitter, a Facebook, a YouTube channel. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can find that. And lastly, we'll just go over the roadmap here. So it starts with planning, concept generation, create the Quokkaswap project launch. So yeah, if you want to read in depth about how the Quokkaswap actually works, that's what the white paper is for. And then start community, smart contracts, audit, white paper release, analyzing, creating tokenomics, start the airdrop, bounty, staking, public sale. And then they're going to have the full launch of the Quokkaswap. And then different listings, airdrop, bounties, partners, marketing, end staking, audits. Yeah, so that's one thing. I don't see a full audit on here. There could be one somewhere, maybe on their socials or something. I don't really see one that's popping up right on their web page, though, or white paper, so just be aware of that. Always do your own research before investing in any token. But yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about Quokkaswap? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.